Okay, so this is just the demo for issue 8 where um, where the comments are not loaded properly from the back end. So if we look, I guess we can like trace the code down. So this is like where the comments are being loaded. So the change I made was that for this GraphQL query, I added in this extra parameter called sort, which is just like I guess like the default sort order. And I also moved like the work item notes loading component. So this is like the skeleton while the comments are loading. I moved it down here to the bottom, given it should be at the bottom of the page regardless of whether it's newest first or oldest first. And then I just remove like this value, since we never want it at the top, the skeleton. And yeah, so I guess if we move to the GraphQL query, I just added in this extra parameter sort, and down here I pass the sort value to the resolver. And then if we go to the resolver, um, I just added this extra argument here to specify like uh, what exactly sort is, and then uh, let's see, yeah, and then we pass it to um, the service. uh, so if we go here, and then here, um, for the paginator, we pass it in. I think before it had like dot fresh, which basically like got rid of like the sorting thing. And in like notable.rb, we also like remove this value so that we can keep like the sort value passed in here. And this is like how the notes are being, I guess like each chunk of comments is like how it's being like concatenated. So before it was just added to the end of like this notes array, but we want to either prepend it or append it depending on whether it's sorted in descending or ascending order. So if we go here, and then right now this is newest first, so we'll just refresh that. And let me see, I think it's should be good. Probably just takes a bit of time. Okay, so yeah, and we can see like the comments are being um, added in the right order, and also like the skeleton is here at the bottom, and instead of like at the top here, which was what was going on in the past. Um, yeah, I did run into like some issues because I have like two local GDK instances, and I did like accidentally start up like the other GDK instance, so it caused some issues. That's why there's like 1,200 comments for this instead of 300, because like the script for generating the comments wasn't like showing up when I was testing it locally. But yeah, like I was able to get that fixed. So I guess just once all the comments load, I'll like show you that like the oldest first option still works as intended. But I guess when I do oldest first, I'll just show you like the beginning portion, just to, instead of like having you wait through like this entire process. Yeah, yeah, I think this is the last 300 notes. Okay, so that should be it. And then now if we set this to oldest first, uh, that looks good. And then let's refresh the page. And then we can see like the comments are being loaded properly. And I'll just end the recording here for time's sake, but I did test this and it did work. So yeah,